Good evening, everyone. Come, today let us explore the tricks to hold the three new hand gestures which are evolved from the already learned Shikharam to Mushti, and it will be followed by another mudra known as Suchi. And then we will be also learning another mudra known as Mrigasesha, which is evolved from the already learned Chaturam. And these mudras will be used to describe a handsome groom who is coming to marry the already described pretty bride, and finally it will be helpful to wrap up our session of this chapter Shringara. So come on, let us start our exercise of the hands and the fingers. And the first mudra is very simple, punch. This punch itself is known as Mushti. From Shikharam, we have to just bend our thumb finger to this and it becomes the fist, and it is known as Mushti. And as I always try to relate it with our daily activities, we can refer it to like holding of a thing, holding of a medicine. Then again we can it is also used to denote the firmness of the words. Once a word is given to someone, means it has to be executed. Clear? Then from this Mushti we will be understanding another new mudra known as Suchi. You have to just open up our index finger to this position and it becomes Suchi, and it is used to denote you, my friend, where are you going? Again, it is used to show the Supreme Soul. My Lord Krishna, you are the Supreme Soul. Again, it is also used to show the beating of the drums, the music, the art. Clear? And the third mudra which we are going to explore today is a beautiful Mrigasesha, which is explored out from or evolved out from already learnt Chaturam. Chaturam, just open the thumb finger, it is turned to another mudra known as Mrigasesha, which is used to show the secrecy. Yes, okay, don't worry, I will maintain the secrecy, I will keep the secret as a secret. Again, it is used to show husband. Yes, my beloved husband, you are my beloved husband. Again, it is also used to call out your beloved. I'm calling for you. I'm calling for my brother. I'm calling from my, remember I was also saying Patak is used to call someone. Similarly, this Mrigasesha is also used to call someone. Come my friend, come to me. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Come to me. Got it? And with this discussions, I am leaving this session, but stay tuned. We are about to complete this chapter. Thank you.